Hey guys, welcome back to Tracy's Place. Today I'm going to be sharing with you one of my favorite sweet things to eat, and that is the Dairy Queen Blizzard. And I don't know about you, but my favorite one is the Turtle Pecan Cluster Blizzard. So I'm going to show you two ways on how to make it, and then I'm going to tell you which one tastes the best to me and which one I think is a little cheaper to make. Alright, so I will be right back and let's get started. Turtle Pecan Cluster Blizzard number one. We have chocolate chip ice cream, and then we have butter pecan ice cream. So this is the simplest way, the easiest one to me, because you have everything added basically. Let's see if I can do this kind of behind camera, on camera. You take two scoops of the chocolate chip. And then if you want, you can rinse off your spoon. And then you're going to take two dips of your butter pecan. Woo! This is hard too. Had it in the freezer downstairs. So get that all dipped out. And then the only thing you have to do is add the Smucker's caramel. You can use any kind that you want. As you see, I just used, well, let me tell you how much I'm putting in. 1 tablespoon and then 1 more tablespoon. So 2 tablespoons of caramel. As you see, I'm using the Kroger brand chocolate chip, and this is an Aldi brand butter pecan. So you can use any of your favorite brands to make this. Okay, I came over here to my little Ninja, and here we go. I'm going to go ahead and blend it up. So you can take it off and just kind of scrape it down a little bit if you need to. Oh, look at that. And you can just kind of scrape it if you need to. Like I said, you might not need to. And you go ahead and here is the Turtle Pecan Cluster Blizzard number one. All right, guys, this is way number 2. And as you see here, I have the Kroger Vividly Vanilla, and I have Smucker's Magic Shell and Chocolate, and then I have the Smucker's Caramel Sauce. And I have, and this is a 10 ounce, but you can get, any size. But this is a 10 ounce bag of pecan halves. I didn't want the ones that were already pieced up because then they would just get even finer. I like mine a little chunky. So I bought that. And this, you guys, is probably so, oh, it's not. I thought this was going to be brick hard because it was downstairs too. We got a lot of ice cream in our freezer, y'all. Because Kroger's had that sale, I don't know if it's like end of July or something like that. So we're going to do 4 scoops of this. But they had that, was it National Ice Cream Day or something like that, was in last of July or something like that. It seems like someday in the summer. And so we got all this ice cream for 99 cents for these containers, half-gallon containers. And because they last a long time, the expiration date says till 2019. That's next year. So we sure did. We bought up a whole lot of them, put them in our basement freezer, and did that like that. There's 4 scoops. And y'all, I ate up the buttered pecan. That's why I had the Aldi's brand. I had to go out and buy some Aldi brand for the tutorial. But yeah, I ate that butter pecan up in a hurry. 4 scoops of vanilla. And what we're going to do is add 2 tablespoons of the Smucker's caramel. And do like that. I'm going to use the Magic Shell chocolate, and you have to shake this stuff up. Okay, and it's all shook up pretty good. We go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of that. Also, and then you're going to add like 1/4 cup of pecan halves. Open this bag a little bit more. Okay. And we're going to take it over to the Ninja and get it blended up. We're going to put it right on top of here and get it blended. I have to go ahead and scrape it down. And I want to flip these pecans in a little bit with the ice cream. So you just give it a little bit of a stir. Get all that like that, and then go ahead and blend again. Alright, I am back with the results. This is Blizzard number 1 with both kind of ice creams, the butter pecan and the chocolate chip, and then added the caramel sauce to it. This is Blizzard number 2. So this one is the vanilla ice cream added with the magic shell, the caramel sauce, and pecans. So let's see, I'm gonna try number 1 first. This one is a little loose. This one is good. Okay, let me cleanse my palate. And this is number 2. This one is not as loose. It's a little bit more firmer in consistency. Let's see what it tastes like. This one tastes more like it. This one is good. This one is easier to make, and I think this one is cheaper to make. But this one tastes more like the Blizzard. Which is strange to me because this one had the butter pecan. You know how the ice cream and the butter pecan is more butterier? Let me try this one again. It's good. But this one tastes a little bit more like the Blizzard. I mean, they both do. If I didn't have them side by side, this one would be fine. This one will be good. They're both good. It just tastes slightly different. And it's because of the ice cream, I think. But yeah, I would say go with number 2. So this is the vanilla ice cream, the magic shell, the chocolate magic shell, the caramel sauce, and the pecans added. So there you go. You can try both of them and see which one you like the best, but I think number 2 is the best. It costs a little more just because Pecans are expensive, and then you have to buy the magic shell, you have to buy the caramel sauce, and the ice cream. And you would probably have to buy another another half gallon of ice cream just to be able to use up all the contents of the added ingredients, you know, to make them. But with this one, you just have your 2 ice creams to buy and the caramel sauce. And the butter pecan doesn't taste any more than the chocolate chip. They're both the same price. And it was the same price as the Vividly Vanilla. So this one is cheaper. It tastes good, but this one tastes a little better. It tastes more like the actual Dairy Queen Blizzard. So make both and try, but if you don't feel like buying everything, just do number 2. Also, you guys, one more thing that I found is to have your ingredients cold if you can, and then, but never freeze your magic shell. It'll mess it up. It even says on the back, do not refrigerate. So just keep that in your pantry. The caramel sauce, refrigerate that, because the more colder your ingredients are, the better, you know, the thicker it will be. Because even though I did mine's lukewarm, as you saw, I just opened up that jar. I just bought it because I ran out. So, but when you make this, have your ingredients, you know, cold, and of course the ice cream frozen. So, all right, guys. So those are my findings. I hope you enjoyed it, and come back and be with me again, because I have a McDonald's mukbang to do. That's why I'm not eating all of this right now. I'm gonna save this for my dessert. I'm going to do a McDonald's mukbang, and come back and watch that too. It'll be up probably tomorrow. All right, so I will see you guys then. I love you all, and come back to Tracy's Place. See you next time.